All right, so here's your camera. I have the mount on it. Now we could pop the mount off like that. Just slides off. I'm going to do that just for demonstration purposes. First of all, I want to show you that it's not connected to anything, so there's no power to this, so it is off. And you want to have it off whenever you're doing anything like pulling the card out. You know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys how to get the card out. Now this is a MicroSD adapter, and it's hard to get your thumb in here. Now if you can get your thumb in, let me show you, like this, and push on it, and you may be able to get it to pop out like that. And once you've done that, you can pull it out. Now notice, the camera lens is here, the front logo of the card's here, it's 128 gigs. You want to have the front logo facing the forward part of the camera. This is the back, it's the gold part that faces you. Then you're going to slide it in like that. And you're going to notice it goes like this. Now if you can't get it in with your finger, what you might have to do is slide it in like this, and then get something like, this is the adapter for this MicroSD card. You could take this and push on it and get it in there. Now you can also use this to get it out, right? See that? So that's my little trick that I use for MicroSD cards. Because for some reason they make them a little bit tight, you know what I mean, jelly beans? So anyway, that's how that works. And yeah, this is a nice camera, I gotta say. Your MicroSD card, if you want to read it on your computer, you're going to need one of these adapters. It fits in this side. I'll show you here. I'll pop it out. Right, I'm going to push on it. It pops out. You're going to notice there's a little lip on the one side of your MicroSD card. Let me pop that out of there. So here it is. If you look, see that little lip right there? It's where you can kind of grab it with your fingernail. The way it goes into this adapter is gold facing gold, right? Logos facing logos. So you would just slide it in like this. And make sure you push it all the way in. And then you can slip it into your computer slot, right? So that's how that works. Let me just pop this out. And again, we're going to go back into the camera. So you got to find your port, right? You want your logo facing out, gold facing you, slide it in, smush it. If you can't get it with your fingernail, take your adapter and just push it in, just like that. And that's it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this dash cam. Peace out.